So what is holding me back doing vlogs in public? It's because I feel awkward and silly filming it. And as I try to learn how to vlog, it's like I'm doing it in slopes and streets and places where I walk to work. And they're always the same people, so kind of think of what they would think of you filming in public. And it's kind of to learn how you could get comfortable with the situation that people know you see you each day and trying to forget what they think of you. But today was the first day that I feel a bit more comfortable having some ideas, shooting B-roll videos. That's probably just because of the camera I use, and that certainly helps. At the moment I use Insta360 Go Ultra, which helps you doing vlogs, especially as a newbie, when you feel awkward, silly as it is, handy, small, tiny, and not so obvious as other cameras, for example. So with that, stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.